A colossal Saharan dust cloud has left skies darkened over parts of the Caribbean, having drifted across the Atlantic Ocean from Africa. So let's jump into the video to see historic dust plume that could send skies. We publish good content videos every day. If you're not subscribed to the channel since, don't forget to tap the subscribe button below, otherwise I will hypnotize you. On Sunday, June 21, the cloud reached Puerto Rico and has since gone on to cover Cuba and some parts of Mexico. In some areas, visibility has been reduced to just a few short miles. Now, the plume has moved into the US where it's expected to overtake entire states. Those living in some parts of Louisiana, Alabama, and Florida will perhaps notice milky looking skies as well as enhanced sunrises and sunsets. By the weekend, the dense plume will reportedly spread across the south of the country, moving as far north as southern Illinois and Ohio as per CNN meteorologists. Throughout the course of the coming weekend, a thinner quantity of dust is expected to advance across a significant portion of the eastern US with a denser concentration lingering around the southeast, mainly in the states of Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. Some of this dust is expected to settle at ground level, and so those in affected areas have been encouraged to monitor local air quality and potentially limit outdoor exposure. The dust cloud is known to impact air quality, which may cause difficulties for those with respiratory problems. Sunset from Houston tonight with a bit of a Saharan air layer present. Every 3 to 5 days from late spring up until early autumn, a dust cloud referred to as the Saharan air layer forms above the Sahara dust before traveling westward over the Atlantic. The Saharan air layer can stretch from 5,000 to 20,000 feet into the atmosphere and may have varying effects depending on where it lands. For example, in the Amazon rainforest, minerals within the dust replace vital nutrients in the soil, which are continuously transported by tropical rains. The Saharan dust usually helps build beaches in the Caribbean and fertilizes soils in the Amazon, as per NASA. Interestingly, the dry nature of dust cloud removes moisture from the atmosphere, potentially putting a stop to the formation of tropical cyclones and hurricanes. This year, the plume is regarded to be historic in terms of its size, thickness, and extremity, with atmospheric scientist Michael Lowry tweeting. The ongoing Saharan dust outbreak across the tropical Atlantic is by far the most extreme of the MODIS satellite record, our most detailed continuous record of global dust back to 2002. University of Puerto Rico environmental health specialist Pablo Mendez Lazaro told the Associated Press that this so-called Godzilla dust cloud is the most significant event in the past 50 years, noting that conditions are dangerous in many Caribbean islands. Experts have advised that Americans suffering with asthma or allergies should wear masks and remain indoors as much as they can. So I think you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to click the like button below this video and subscribe to the channel.